SoFi starting to break down here, guys, which honestly isn't too surprising considering the entire U.S. market's taking a dump today, guys. The Dow's down 1%, same with the Russell, as the Qs are down almost 2% right now, and the S&P's down over 1.2, and the VIX is up almost 20%. Yes, you heard that right, guys, as oil, both Brent and WTI, they're in the green. So let's dive into it, break down SoFi, my thoughts, what I'm doing as earnings are coming up here, guys. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my trades, investments, and if you want to be a part of my private Discord community, all that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stasurfest.com/Patreon. And now let's dive into it. And again, the entire market is getting hit right now, guys, and SoFi is doing the opposite of what it usually does heading into earnings. It's actually going down. We're down from $20 a share to $16.50 right now, which means is the opposite going to happen after earnings, the opposite of what usually happens? Maybe. So typically, you guys probably know, and by the way, we're down about 15% over the last week and a half on SoFi. So typically, you guys know it actually runs into earnings followed by a post-earnings sell-off. That's usually the price action with SoFi around earnings. And honestly, a lot of these companies recently have been doing that, right? A lot of the stocks have been going up into earnings, and then we've been getting a lot of sell the news events, and it's the opposite right now. SoFi is down 15%. We're at a multi-week low. We have a death cross on the 1-hour chart, so one could argue that maybe we're setting up for a breakout post earnings, especially if we get record earnings again. But I'm not obviously making any earnings moves. I'm not buying calls. I'm not buying, a bunch of shares, short-term shares here, gambling on earnings. I'm not doing it. But it's got me thinking. It's the opposite setup of what we usually get. And at this point, guys, how much more beaten up can SoFi get? I mean, it's been bludgeoned to death pretty much all year. How much lower can it go? I mean, you guys can see it's been consolidating for months. I mean, look, if the NASDAQ goes down another 5-10%, yeah, SoFi is probably in trouble considering it's a higher beta stock. But as long as the indices kind of, stay chill, which I know today's a rough day, but if we chop around a little bit, chop around, little green, little red, heading into earnings, I just can't see a way where SoFi goes much lower, unless, of course, they drop the ball completely on earnings, which I don't think is necessarily going to happen. We covered the estimates in the previous videos. Guys, go check those out. We're not going to talk too much about that. So I just think it's beaten up, to the point where it can't go down much more, in my opinion. So if we look at the chart here, and by the way, guys, don't trade on that. Don't do anything with that information. It's just my opinion. Do your own research as always. If we look at the chart here, guys, we're actually trading at the bottom of this channel that I just drew out. You guys see right here, each time the last couple of weeks, stemming back from before the last earnings report, each time we've gotten down to the bottom of this channel, what have we done? We've gotten oversold, and we've actually recovered. We've seen consolidation followed by a relief rally. And listen, we still have a couple days left before earnings. I think earnings are on the 29th. Yeah, so a week from yesterday, so next Wednesday coming up. So we have, Friday, we have Monday and Tuesday coming up. So we still have 3 days of trading. So maybe it actually rallies a little bit heading into the report. But we're pretty dang beaten up, man. We're pretty oversold, and I like the setup here. It's playing out beautifully considering how it's been trading in this channel. And, if one could guess, I think we could break out here, but, you can never be so sure heading into an earnings report. You know what I mean? SoFi, it's only down 2%, not too bad considering how much the stock market's down today, how much the VIX is up today, how much oil's up today. So it's not too bad, to be honest, man. And look, if we take out excuse me, if we take out 16, 1550, okay, we might see more downside from there. But again, like I've said, I just can't see it going much lower unless the NASDAQ takes a massive dump, a bigger dump, right? And, unless their earnings are just terrible, which I just don't think will happen. So what do you guys think? I mean, at this point, it's the easiest hold. I mean, for me, it's one of the easier holds in the market. There's no need in selling it now, or no need to sell it now, with it being down 50% from highs. And look, it's a beautiful thing when a stock's down 50% from highs and you're still up a good chunk on your position. I'm an early investor in SoFi, so for me it's like, all right, it's not much to hold on to it here. I mean, look, it's been consolidating all year. What's the hurt in holding a little bit more? So at this point, guys, I'm expecting potentially a rebound after earnings, but you can't be so sure. The setup looks pretty good. It's opposite of what we've seen before, which excites me a little bit. I got to be honest, it excites me a little bit. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments about SoFi, your thoughts, what you're doing, and hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. I think 50% of you guys here on YouTube watch the content, which I appreciate, of course, but you don't subscribe, and we're trying to get to 100,000 subs, and we just hit 70,000 subs. I appreciate you guys. That's a big milestone, but the job's not done. The job's not finished, guys. We got to get to 100K, and when we hit 100K, it's not like I'm gonna quit YouTube. We're gonna keep going, but we need that 100K plaque, guys. And honestly, I don't know if I'll ever hit the 1 million subscriber mark. I mean, considering it's taken me almost a decade to hit 100,000 subs, we might be here for another 50 years before I hit 1 million subscribers. But I appreciate you guys. As always, hit that sub button, and let's see the other indices, or the other stocks that are moving today, guys. Micron, believe it or not, is starting to push $1,000. It's not breaking out yet. We're testing a multi-week resistance right now, but we're right there. We're right there. 1,000, 1,025, big resistance for Micron. And if that breaks, hey, it could be fully breaking out again. And the fact that we're seeing Capex from Google, they raised it, right, for the full year. That's causing some, movement here at Micron, other names as well. Obviously, not every AI stock's up today, but the fact that Google, their Capex went up, which means other companies are probably going to increase their Capex. That's pushing Micron higher, more demand for memory, obviously. So that's a good sign, but it's not fully breaking out. I'm going to set my alert at 1,000. Let's do it at $1,025 per share. And maybe on SanDisk, let's pull this one up. It's up 4%. I'm going to set my alert at, let's say, 17. I'll put it at 1750 to see if we're able to cleanly start to break through that major resistance. So I don't want to spend too much time in this video, guys. There's a lot of red. Go check out my previous video if you want to see a full breakdown on the indices, Google, Tesla, a little more insight on their numbers, my thoughts. Go check out that previous video. But that's it for this one, man. 8-9 minutes in, quick, short, sweet, to the point. Quick breakdown on SoFi. It's breaking down today. The stock's falling, but I like the setup heading into earnings, and I'm excited. I'm excited for next Wednesday, man. So hit the like button. Again, subscribe. Join my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of my actual portfolio updates, trades, investments. If you want to be a part of my private Discord, all that's linked down below on Patreon, or in the comments, or go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in there. I appreciate you guys for joining, all the support. I'll see you guys later.